Okay, let's give it another go. Oh, a winner!
Stop that guy!
Put the cover on it so it goes out. There you go.
Remember, that's the same people who make your jet aircraft engines. This must go last time.
Okay, our General Electric went off to a flaming start. Let's see if it can produce the same kind of results on a second try. Go ahead, Vic. Oh, looks like motor failure. Oh.
One good shot.
Is that it? No more? Plug it in again. Oh, I smell electric smoke, folks.
Oh, no.
Oh, a dismal performance for the General Electric. All right, let's throw it on the scrap heap. It's still running. The motor sounds ill. I see electric smoke. And a good grand finale for the Custom King. Finally went off of the bag.
Save the hose.
All right, it still runs. Let's see if we can extinguish those flames and give it one more go. If there's anything... Oh, our hose. Oh, we lost the hose. Okay. Well, we'll see what we can do here. So, if our plug is ready, let's see what she'll do. It's still running, folks. I think we may be able to go for 3 times.
Well, if you can't latch and inside, you can. Well, you can, but yeah.
That'll warm there, folks.
Yeah, but to get in
I was brought in because I was
people that are
You want to know what my family's like?
Oh, we heard the terminal.
Oh, no, no.
I would imagine. I'm so close.
There we go. Keep it running. Keep it running. Let's see how long the Kenmore can last.
Anyway, so I find the only thing that was missing out of it was the actual motor, the electric motor. So I bought it for like $4. Oh yeah. So I took it brand new. You know what I found? There's a yeah, I don't really use them like
Long enough to give us one more exciting show.
I would
Okay, let's plug in the Kenmore. Okay, well, that wasn't a bad show from the Kenmore. Let's give it a good round of applause. And Sears Best completes its trial run. Okay.
Just a little gas. Just a great equalizer.
Hang on, John. Come on.
Okay, let's see what that Hoover will do. The bag's inflated and...
Oh, there we go. Generating a little smoke. Oh, that was electric short there. That was it. The electric short did it.
The attitude's here, Jim.
Oh, very dismal performance from a star contender to the... Too bad for Team Electrolux. Team Hoover. I'm sorry, Team Hoover. Team Hoover just didn't quite make it.
Save that hard one.
I want to see that.
What does it need?
Okay, let's try. There we go. That Eureka's really cooking. All right, turn it off. Okay, let's give the Eureka another go.
What does it need?
Okay, let's try that Eureka one more time. There we go. Ignition.
Sound effects. I couldn't lift the thing a week ago.
Like your hat.
This baby's got a really bad EPA fuel economy rating. Let me tell you, really bad. We're getting poor mileage out of this one.